Yo, what's up guys? It's Pius here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin. Alright, so Bitcoin fell a little bit guys, and I'll give you my 2 cents on it. So, let's get rid of this line. This line is not relevant anymore. So, well, Bitcoin fell after like a little double top on the 6 hour, right? This is easy to say in hindsight. I mean, I didn't take action either. So, where am I right now? Well, I'm still up in profit big time. I mean, obviously, we had a huge run up, but still. If you want to get out, right? If you want to get out, do you want to get out right now? No. Very simple. You don't want to sell on like a big sell down, right? You want to sell on the bounce then. So, what you do is you wait until like this finds a bottom, and then a bounce will come, all right? It will, and most likely you will get a better value than what it is right now. Alright, I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but that's often the case. So if we look at the top here and we start a Fibonacci, and let's say the bottom is around like here, right? I mean, that's worst case scenario right now, because then it will obviously bounce at where previous was a lot of resistance. So if it would do that, guys, then the bounce will most likely go all the way back up to the 618 here, to all the way up to the 786. So in this area, so you can still get out at like $7,300. Alright, so that is one scenario you can think of. Another scenario you can think of is going into altcoins. Alright, so right now what we see is Bitcoin Cash. It's just going mad, right? It's going mad. Okay, so you don't want to buy in all this green. If you bought here, great. You're doing absolutely brilliant right now. 52%. But if you're not, oh well, don't chase it. Wait for a pullback. There's bound to be a pullback, guys. Wait for a pullback, right? Once the pullback happens, it'll probably get to about here, I'm not, well, it depends how high this goes, but yeah, wait for the pullback, guys. Also, I wouldn't even consider buying there already, because this is a typical Elliott here, right? It's a 1, 2, no, actually no, nah, never mind. I mean, that's not a typical Elliott, because yeah, that doesn't work like that. So I don't know. This one is kind of choppy. It's not making the nicest moves. But anyways, yeah, you can go into alts. Another good one is to look at just look at the bigger alts for now, right? So when the alt cycle starts, guys, it's going to be the big alts first. That's how it was last year. That's how it will always be. So the bigger alts are Litecoin, Ethereum, Neo, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. Alright, all those, alright, they are the first ones to go. So if you look at, for example, Ethereum, do I even have Ethereum? Probably do. Yeah, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So, I got my downtrend, just laid out. It's a daily downtrend. When it breaks, guys, and we're about to be bullish again on Ethereum, then it will most likely go up, and then you buy the pullback. All right, then you're in for the run. Now I don't know where the run will go, obviously, but our points on Ethereum would be let's do a Fibonacci from the top. Fibonacci from the top, guys, to the bottom. Well, where could we go? If this is the bottom, then first line is like here, right? And then we have another one here, and you can see the Fibonacci's line up perfectly, so it's absolutely nice, right? Then 0.5 and 0.618, etc. So let's say you buy somewhere around here, right? And then you just sit in this all the way up here. That's a nice 150%. So if Bitcoin falls 50%, you're making 150%. It all depends, but you need to wait until it's bullish. But this is definitely one to look for. Like I said, Litecoin is another one. Let's do Litecoin real quick. So if I make a ray from here, that is a long time to go, right? I mean, yeah, that is if you want to be absolutely sure it needs to be above here. But you can also make one from here to here, and it's already bullish then right now. It's because it broke this. So if you want, you can buy this pullback. It's not the safest one, but it is also a pretty large retracement, isn't it? Let me check. Let's check the retracement, guys. It's a 786. Now, do I say it cannot get to 886? Yes, it can. But it's a pretty large pullback already. So Litecoin's looking okay. Neo is another one, guys. You know, I always talk about Neo, but so Neo, this is the downturn, right? So if this breaks, once again, it pulls back, then you can go in. All right, that's just how it is. Let me put that better like this. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, so if this breaks, guys, you can go in. So, you know, draw it yourself, draw the lines yourself. I want you guys to be able to trade nicely, right? Don't panic. Absolutely don't panic, guys, right? So, yeah, Bitcoin takes a little dip. I mean, a pretty big dip, but what's the point of panicking, all right? So, the panicking are the losers. So once again, guys, let's say Bitcoin's taking an even further dump right now. Look at this. So, yeah, just wait it out, right? Just wait it out. Like I say, it can go all the way to here. If it dumps to here, to 6K, don't be like, oh no, you know, the world's going. No, then you just wait it out, right? You just play the chart. When it goes down, you think it will just go boom, boom, just in one go? No. Let's look at some history, guys. Let's look at some history. So, one day is not perfect example, but 6 hours, right? So, yeah, you see, it goes down and then it goes back up. How far did it go? Let's see. It went back in that green area, you see? So, Bitcoin will always give you a second chance to get out. Now, one could assume that it already did, right? It went back up here. However, that is not on the bigger picture, in my opinion. So, that is like not that big of a time frame. We might need to wait a bit, but I say play the alts, guys. Ethereum is looking delicious soon. You know, Ethereum is looking delicious soon. So, and it's probably all these small alts as well that are looking good. But let's look at another big one, right? Let's look at Dash. Alright, Dash, guys. Let's look at Dash. Dash is cash, right? So we broke this and then it went back up. So we're back in this range. Here's another one, guys. You know, you can play this. This is one that's always in a range. It's not so much trending. But, you know, even if you were to go in this on like a pullback, of course, wait for a pullback, don't buy in the green. And then you can get 98% out of it. Right now even. So, don't be like, oh god, I'm gonna sell Bitcoin for a loss, even though you shouldn't be in a loss. I mean, it depends. If you bought like here, well, you're still big in profit, right? So, but don't sell into this big red. This is insane, okay? I don't want you guys doing this. If you sell now, you're a pig and you're about to get slaughtered. So, because just let's take a look at before this whole run started, right? So we had another drop here. This was pretty major. I remember this. So what happened here, guys? You know, we're just gonna do some flips. It went here, and it didn't go back all the way to the green. It went back here. Finally, at last. It can take some time, yes, but there's no reason to sell for a loss. All right, I've been in Bitcoin long enough now to understand that there is no reason to sell for a loss. People have never lost on Bitcoin if you held on, okay? So never. Remember that, never. Now, one could say there's opportunity cost. Yes, I agree. But the opportunities are in the altcoins, you know, soon. So if you have Bitcoin, that's cool. You can, you know, play some altcoins. So you can see the real panic is happening right now as we speak. You know, Bitcoin is hitting that Ichimoku cloud. You know, there's probably money going out of the market right now. Let's look. Yeah, 194 billion. See? So if we look a little bit more zoomed in, yeah, see? So we're taking a little dive, which is fine. People taking some profits. I took some profits, but not a whole lot. You know, I should have taken more. But you know, I don't really take profits as in USD anyways. You know, I don't like going into USD. I'm a Bitcoin guy. So, you know, I stay in the Bitcoin, right? So, yeah, play the alts, guys. Alright, play the alts. If you want to play Bitcoin Cash, you're too late, I'd say. Wait for a big pullback. This is going parabolic. This is retarded. Don't even think about chasing this. If you think about chasing this, you better do this on the 15-minute. And like for example here, right? You could have done like something like this. No, that's not even correct. So I don't know. Like here, right? This is your triangle, but that didn't help you much. You could have bought the breakout, yeah, sure. And it did you alright. You got 11%. So, but that's the only way you can play this one right now. It's on the very low time frame, because on the higher time frame it's gone. Alright. So if you play something on a low time frame, remember that you also need to take your profits quick. Alright, take your profits quickly, because you're playing on a low time frame and you're playing with fire up here. Right? You're playing with fire. So, because it can definitely just, you know, smack down to the ground. So, yeah, you know, let's just look at some more ADX. This is like Neo, guys. When Neo goes, ADX goes as well. Just ADX can go higher, because it's at a lower value, right? So it's easier to go higher. Let's see, what other alts do we have that are kind of, maybe OMG. OMG is also kind of at the bottom now. Let's take a look. What's OMG doing, guys? What is OMG? 786, right? So, yeah, 786, guys. So, if I put a line this here, you see here broke out. So this breakout is valid. To be honest, yeah, it's valid. Because it went with a lot of volume. And now it's retracing, right? It's retracing. And then, so, yeah, just look at the alts, guys. Like, for example, this OMG right here, right? You could be thinking like, oh, so it's retracing, right? And then we have a chance to go up here. Very possible. So, yeah, guys, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be alt season again. Right now, I got my eyes on Ethereum, on OMG, on Neo, on Litecoin, all the big ones, Dash, and I don't look so much into stuff like DGB yet. You know, I mean, look at this. Okay, so yes, it's on the ground, but it could fall further. I'm a guy that waits on the first breakout. Look, for example here, right? So I would miss this and I would buy in here, and then you still have a whole like cycle. You know, I don't want to predict, so to say. I react, or I react. Like, predicting that it goes up is hard. So yeah, let's take a look at some other smaller alts like ARK. Okay, ARK is it tried and now it's dumping. So yeah, look at it when it's dumping, guys. Okay, so if it actually broke out like OMG, then look when it's dumping. If it didn't actually break out like Neo yet, everyone's like bullish on it, but it didn't break its downtrend yet. So yes, it can go up to here, but that is where the actual resistance is, right? So yeah, just be careful of that. Just be careful. Pay. So, people who held on to pay from like up here, they're feeling it right now. They're angry. They're angry for sure. Qtum. Basically, what I want you guys to do is go to CoinMarketCap, look in the top 10, pick your best bets. All right. So you can go with Ethereum, and I don't mean Bitcoin because Bitcoin is falling right now. So, and if you wanna cash out on USD, guys, remember what I said. Wait for that bounce. All right. This is this is just normal. I mean, you wait for the bounce, guys. And I'm not saying it will actually go down here, because here's the big trend line. So it could also go like here. But it doesn't matter too much. Look, even if we go here. See the green? It doesn't move that much. You see the green up there? The 7,500 and then 7.6. So it doesn't move that much. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind. So let's see, which other alts do we have? I looked at all of them, right? NEM, we still have NEM, and Ethereum Classic and Monero. Okay, so let's look at Monero. XMR. What's XMR doing? Okay, so beautiful bottom. See, beautiful. All right, so whoever went in here, guys, good job. Good job. I missed this, but good job on you. So right now, I would wait for a retrace. Very simple. Pretty sure this one broke. No, this one didn't. This is actually one that rejected. You see, so downtrend here, guys, and then boom. You see this exact hit? Well, you only needed these 2 points in order to predict it this top. So once again, guys, this one will most likely just retrace back down to here or something and then try again. So yeah, that's how it goes, guys. And if you want to be bullish about it, it needs to break the downtrend on the on the daily, basically. So on the longer time frame, right? 6 hour, whatever. Not just a little downtrend in the hourly. Okay, that's way different. But I mean the bigger time frame, the downtrend, it needs to break, and if you want to be bullish about it. So XMR is not bullish yet. Not looking at that. NEM. Let's look at NEM. XEM. Okay, so what happened to NEM, guys? We had this massive pump, and it went to the 886. Okay, well, that's interesting. So if I put a downtrend on here, and I know it's not perfect, but that doesn't matter too much. So you can see the line is like, it's kind of real, right? But it broke out, and now it's retracing. So could you buy NEM? Yes, but I would watch out a little bit, because it broke out, but not really good, right? I mean, if you think about it, let's look at the volume here. Yeah, we had a lot of volume here, but then the volume, like, it went up and then down. So this one's still kind of indecisive. So I wouldn't. I mean, I would be interested in NEM around here, but not up here. So, because what NEM can definitely do is like just go here, like slowly go down on this, and then go. So if I look at a Ripple, I know everyone hates Ripple, but it's another one in the top, guys. So we have to look at it. Ripple the cripple. Okay, so people say, right, Ripple the cripple. All right, so this one broke its downtrend, and I would honestly wait for a little pullback to here or here if you want to buy in. And then, but Ripple's a really slow one, so be prepared to wait maybe months for like a little return. But I mean, if it goes up here, it could be okay, right? 677% is absolutely brilliant. You would need to take, that is for like a big ass swing trade, right? But for now, you know, just see what you do. I mean, I cannot really guarantee anything for that. So guys, in short, stay in the top 10 of the coin market cap here. You know, and then the little coins, well, I call them the little coins, like the top 50, they go after, alright? They go after it. Because if I look at the smaller ones, yeah, they will go eventually, but just not right now, right? Just not right now. Like a Stratus here. It's just, you know, I think the others just stay in the top 10 for now. And with Bitcoin, like I said, wait for a bounce. If you want to sell USD, I don't see why. Because here's the thing, guys, USD and Euro value, you only need it when you need to pay some bills or whatever. Okay, so if you just want to hold it, hold something that is volatile. Whether it, I mean, yes, down volatility is not good, but it will also go up again, right? So, and your euro and US dollar will only decrease in value. So you can go temporarily in tethers when it goes back up here, in tethers or in euros or dollars, and then it's purely to buy back, to buy Bitcoin back and buy more. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.